Sana ma-realize natin to. Kapag may battle tayo, huwag lang natin ipag-pray, Lord, be with me. Hindi ganun ang prayer. Lord, lead me. Lord, be my captain. Lord, be my leader. Maraming Kristiyano, pagdating sa Christian life, hindi nila tinitignan ng Panginoon bilang leader. Honestly, marami sa atin nagpipray ganito. May gagawin tayo. Halimbawa, Lord, papasok ako sa Bible College. Lord, pwede mo bang i-bless yung aking decision? That is your personal decision. Tinanong mo ba yung decision ng Diyos? Sometimes ganito tayo, ginagawa natin siyang genie. Gagawa ka ng desisyon, Lord, bless my decision. What if sabihin ng Panginoon, that is not my decision. That is your decision alone. Dapat ganito, Lord, what is your decision for me? I will follow it, and for sure, God will bless it because that is God's decision for you.